Radio replacement interface with SWC and navigation outputs for select Chevrolet Sonic and Spark vehicles. Retains OnStar when the factory radio is replaced. Retains factory Bluetooth, 2009 plus model vehicles. Retains rear seat audio controls. Retains all warning chimes, chime module included. An all-in-one radio replacement and SWC, steering wheel controls, interface. The innovative new radio PR05 comes pre-loaded with OnStar retention, amplifier retention, SWC software, navigation-based output signals and other features that save time and money during installation. Top reviews from the United States. Works flawlessly. I bought this product on Amazon to replace another radio interface that did not work well. As soon as the installer connected the item to the radio, it worked. He did not have to update the firmware and that part of the install was done rather quickly. He was the one who recommended this radio interface. I have been using it for over a week and a half now and I must say there are no problems. I am using it with a Kenwood DDX9903S radio in a 2015 Chevrolet Trax and it works flawlessly. I highly recommend this radio replacement interface as it comes with everything you need.